This is a Kenmore 1753, 158.1753. This is the reverse mechanism on the back for the reverse stitches. And if you look down on the bottom there, hopefully you can see it well enough. There's a set screw under there. It has to be tightened far enough that when you turn this knob here, that it will turn this screw. Now that screw has probably not been oiled since it was brand new in the factory. That screw has to turn with it. Now you can see the shiny parts where I oiled it. Now this turns nice and easy even though it's tight, but what you're doing is this little pad right here. This is what tells your machine how far back to go and then switch forward again. And so by just turning that one, to the positive or the negative, it's going to allow this to hit there. That's the complete, furthest it can go. But when you push it this way, that screw tightens and comes just far enough this way that it makes a difference in the length of the reverse stitch. So because obviously this is what your cams cause to do the reverse stitch, but that's the little paddle that needs to be affected by your little knob here. So the set screw, grub screw, whatever you want to call it, back there, when this is straight up, the grub screw should be straight down. Don't know if that's going to show up or not, but anyway, that's a slightly different mechanism than in the 960 or 96, model 96 that Crystal Briley is talking about. I'll try to get a look at that one tomorrow if I can remember, so that I can help you with that. But it will be a similar mechanism. It has the same knob back here, but yours has a nut on this side, and that may be part of your problem. That nut may need tightened instead of the grub screw, I don't know if yours is going to need the oiling of the screw that goes through the wall of the back of the machine like this one did. So anyway, Kenmore 158.1753. That's how to adjust fix the tension adjustment, or not tension, the frontwards and backwards reverse motion for your pretty embroidery stitches like the flowers, hearts, waves, all that kind of stuff. If you want to have your forward and back reverse stitch actually be controlled by this little knobby on the back, you have to actually get this part engaged, and it's going to be either a screw or a set screw, or probably a nut or other adjustment of that sort. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.